back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline Lopez, and today I have my first Christmas video of the year. Very excited to bring it to you. Now I'm going to say the exact same thing I said in my first Christmas video last year, and it is that it is never too early to do what makes you happy. So that's why today I am bringing you a preview of the Christmas decor that Dollar Tree will have out. This is an entire section that they already had set up. Of course, there is way more to come, but I wanted to again show you what they already have out. That way, if there is something you absolutely must have, you can go and grab it now, because I am going to show you an example of something I saw yesterday that today they are already sold out of. But in the meantime, and enjoy these items, I'll only come back if I have something to add, like a tip or decor suggestion.
We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree. Christmas on. From this Christmas on. From this Christmas on. It's gonna be you and me decorating the tree. From this Christmas on, from this Christmas on.
These hanging snowflakes are new, and I absolutely love them. I love that they are a different design than the ones in the little 6-packs. I don't love the way that they are connected, but I still think it's a very good piece.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire.
Now, right next to these trees were these adorable snowy trees, but today they were already all sold out. I did not buy any yesterday when I went into the store, and I regret it. You see that empty space up there? That's what used to be there. So again, if you see something that you absolutely love, go ahead and get it. These are going to be very popular this year because this is the first year that they have an entirely white ornament. It's going to be perfect for DIYs, but also they are perfect just on their own.
Making plans what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
If you are going to be using any faux snow in your crafts, I highly recommend this one. I love the look of it so much better than the one that is made out of tiny foam balls. Also, it is way less staticky, and again, I just prefer the overall look of it.
Riding through the winter night, thinking of my only wish. I don't need a perfect snowman, and I don't need the bells and boughs, but I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you, and I'll be home for you.
We are nearing the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed seeing this preview of the items that the Dollar Tree already has out for Christmas. Now I am going to go back next week to see what other new items they have, so make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. If you want to see what items I purchased today, head on over to my Instagram that is always linked down below. I'm going to do a haul over there later today. Also, I share over there first what items I am spotting at the Dollar Tree. Now, thank you for taking time to watch this video. You have a very good rest of your day. Bye-bye.